Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to trade futures on Power Etrade. First, log into your Power Etrade account and locate the Futures tab. This platform offers robust tools for analyzing market trends and identifying potential opportunities. Familiarize yourself with the interface, including the quote board and charting features. Understanding these basics is crucial before placing any trades. This method simplifies the process for new traders. To place a trade, select the futures contract you wish to trade from the available list. For example, you might choose an E-mini S&P 500 futures contract. Next, specify your order type, such as a market order or a limit order, and the quantity of contracts. Finally, set your desired price if using a limit order, then review and confirm your trade. This process is straightforward. Effective risk management is vital when trading futures. Always consider setting stop-loss orders to protect your capital from significant downturns. Regularly monitor your open positions and market news to react promptly to changes. Be aware of the margin requirements for each contract, as these can impact your trading capacity. A disciplined approach helps preserve your trading account. For more advanced trading, explore complex order types such as bracket orders, which automatically place both a stop-loss and a take-profit order. Incorporate technical indicators like moving averages or RSI to refine your entry and exit points. Continuously educate yourself on market dynamics and trading strategies. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.